Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your test nets that have been distributed to all GiveRep yappers. So I made videos on how to join this loyalty program, and which I believe the video is not yet viral. Okay, so if you're still here to join, you can still join because the yapping is still on. Now, this is, I think this is up to, I've been yapping this for about 6 days now, and if I check on my leaderboard, I'm going to see my score. So my score is actually 13, as in 314 rep points that I've gotten, and I'm actually ranking. My current ranking is 2,467 out of this list out of 7,000. So guys, I'm really putting in the work. So if you're here to join, you can as well join as well. You can still join, you still have time. So guys, yesterday they distributed the testnet token. So I don't know if you have received yours and how to check that. With the symbol here, you click on the symbol, you're going to see it. Okay, my own is showing unexpected error. Okay, I just have to refresh this page. Guys, bear with me. Let's see if the mistake is from me. So I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page. So check your, see, I've been given some testnet token. All right. Okay, so you have to sign up here. Once you click on the GiveRep.com, you sign up and make sure that your Twitter is connected. And then once your Twitter is connected, you'll be redirected. And then I'm gonna go back to the leaderboard and check. Okay, so this is the leaderboard, and actually my rank is still 314 rep points, in which I'm ranking 2,047 rep point hash. Okay, so you can see the work, the effort I am putting just to get at least before the launch I should be able to have 1,000 rep points. Guys, it is not just an idle work, you have to put in the strength. For those of you that have not gotten any much community, you don't have a lot people to reply your posts and all that. So this is what I did for my case before I got this. Anybody that has all those influencers have to go and interact on the engagement, and you have to engage in the comment section. And here, that is how I've been able to gather points. And then I also talked about, I also make tweets and ask them to follow me as well. That is how I grow my Twitter, and also made a video on how to grow Twitter. Then if you happen to watch the video and follow the steps, you must have been able to grow your Twitter. So my Twitter is beginning to have attentions, beginning to interact, beginning to get replies, not just compared to the ones I would just tweet and no one views, not even nobody engage. So guys, if you join this project, that's another opportunity to engage and grow your Twitter page. Okay, so let's get started. So let me go back and check again. So some testnet were distributed. Of course, it's showing now. You can see here I've been given mtest2, which is a minimum of 6,643 point mtest for GiveRep. So go and check your accounts. It's not everybody that have received this. It's not everybody that have received it. So this was distributed to some few persons. Okay, I think it wasn't just that early, but to my efforts, I've been putting in much work in this project, and I pray to get qualified. So I've been putting in much effort. So I was giving 6,643 testnet. So guys, this project look a little bit promising. The project look promising compared to every other yap that we have been yapping. So this one look promising. The way the dev, everything is transparent, so it look promising. And I'll also advise you to join if you haven't joined the project. Okay, if you want me to how to join this project, is just simple. It's the website here, which is GiveRep.com repetition. So all you got to do is just to follow the link I'll be dropping in the video. I've made a lot of videos about this project already, which I will I'll keep on making. So for you to grow your own point, for you to be able to rank high, you just need to, you have to put in the work, guys. You have to work it out. Getting this 314 rep point, as actually meaning in 2 days after all my efforts, I only have to get like maybe 2 to 3 days, I only make 100 points. So this is not up to 7 days since I joined this project. Now, each mentions a 1 repetition point to both the giver and tweet also. Users have 3 points daily to give away. You have 3 points to give out. Okay, now not all repetition points are equal. Mentions from influencers shown above are worth more points. So you can see all these influencers. You can just go ahead and follow them up and then interact in their comment. If they happen to reply you, you have more points. Okay. So without waiting for influencers, this is what I did. I created my own Twitter page and I started engaging in other people comments, and whoop, my Twitter page has about 2,000 followers now, and each of the tweet I tweet, I have replies and all that. So guys, you can also put in the work. You can also do it. Yeah, it's very very simple. You can put in the work and still join instead of to regret. Okay, you can join. Don't know the airdrop that will take you out of trenches. You don't really know. Okay, so join this loyalty program, and then once you join it, click on your loyalty. Once you click on join, first of all, you are going to sign in to connect your Twitter page. Make sure your Twitter page is connected. And once done, you click on the loyalty, and then click on join all programs. Join all programs, and then once you join it, join the project and earn recognition by tweeting about them. We only count points that tag a single loyalty program. Guys, you have to tag just one single loyalty program. That's it. If you tag multiple loyalty program in a single post, your post will be filtered out. We value quality content over quantity. Guys, if you're like some person that tag up to 5, they say tag at least 1. If you're talking about why mentioning GiveRep, you talk about actuals, a big one. Maybe you're talking about attention, or why. Okay, let's assume you're talking about GiveRep and then you mention one of this, and then you'll be given points. Okay, so that is how to grow your own. This is exactly how I grow mine. So join project and then recognition by tweeting about them. We only count posts that tag a single loyalty program. This is if you tag multiple loyalty programs in a single post, your post will be filtered out. We value quality content over quantity, right? While waiting, both discussing a project future will be weighted higher, and than simple tagging if a book was okay. So you guys make a quality content, talk about them and tag them, and that is how you get points. Okay. If you are just spamming, you can spend up to a day without even getting 1 point. Remember, to get the points is not easy. Like we, the small accounts, compared to the big influencers who will just tweet and bam, boom, all the people will go and tweet, and they'll be having 5,000 tweets, 10,000 tweets, and they cannot even reply your tweet. So it's better for you to follow all those small influencers, small accounts, and then so that once you drop, because then they're also trying to grow. So once they make a tweet, they can be able to see your tweet and reply. Compared to people that has about 100,000 followers, my dear, they will not have time to come and reply you because they have a lot. They don't even have time to reply anybody. It's very hard to see any influencers reply you. Okay, so just do that. Join this loyalty project and then start interacting. So before I go ahead, you can see the projects I will be making mentions, and then we'll talk about GiveRep, and then you'll see your points increasing. You start ranking high. So let me head over to my Twitter page. For those of you that doesn't have Twitter, yeah, I'll keep on making video about it because this is a potential airdrop, guys. This is a potential airdrop. I'm not going to give you 100% that this airdrop is actually going to cook, because no, I just want you to participate. Make sure that you participate because you don't know the project that will cook for you, right? So like this now, you can see this is my Twitter page. And so when I made the former video, you can see I was actually on 1 point something, and now this is my 2,133 followers. Okay, so I interact. I make sure that I follow back. I make posts. I make tweets. You can see that my tweet is beginning to get an engagement. Yeah, so the more tweets you make, the more people interact, the more points you get. So guys, don't be left behind. Don't say, had I known, if I have known, I could have joined. I have brought this project. I bring this project to your way. So try to participate. This is minimum requirement is you must have at least 100 followers. To get 100 followers, join interact in my comment section. Join all those few new people. Follow up to 100 people. Before you know, you have up to 100 followers, and then your account will be generated, and then you start your points to start reading. Okay, so guys, this is a big opportunity to grow your Twitter page as well. Okay, put in the work and see how step by step I've been showing my, like as of yesterday, I think I made a tweet, and then as of yesterday, let me go check what I had yesterday. I was having 190 something. I see 240 rep point, and as of today I am 300 and something. You can see the work I'm putting in the project. So when you join this project, you make sure that you you put in the effort. If you don't just join and go and sit down, if you don't yap, your points will not roll. You can see from 210 and I got to 300 within some 4 to 3 days interval. You can see I was just can see the 182 points as of when was this 3 days ago. I was in 182 points and now I'm in 314. So maybe by from now till next I should be getting to 400 rep points. Guys, it's not easy because you need to put they need the work, they need to put in the work. If you don't put in the work, forget about it. Once you open, you are not going to see anything. Even some person that are this is a secret. Don't just yap. You don't just yap like anything you see. You spam, you will not get any single point. Okay, so you yourself, you have 3 points to give out. Go and interact with all those small accounts. Go and like a small accounts like me, which I'm trying to grow. Come and interact. Follow me and see my Twitter handle here. I drop it in the comment section. Make sure to follow. When you follow me, I'll follow you back. By then I'll be seeing your own tweet and then I will also engage, right? So you can build it, we can do it. If I can do it, you can also do it. Okay. So this is my point of view for the past. I'm not sure. I've been here as I've stayed here for like. I'm not sure I'm up to even a week. I'm not up to a week. Maybe from tomorrow or next will make me 1 week in this project, and I've already accumulated 300 and 40 rep. Guys, getting a rep is not easy at all. Getting a rep is not easy at all. So you need to put in the work, put more effort, and then yeah, and you like my target before this project ends, I want to have like 1000 rep points. So I pray God's help. So another thing is, if you want to get some more update like this, if you're not following me, subscribe, click in the button, the subscription button, like and subscribe, turn on subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. You'll be the first to see. Then don't forget to share this video with your friends. Share this video so that you can also help a life. You don't know, like I said, you don't know the airdrop that will take you out of trenches. Okay, take you out from trenches. Don't know. Yeah. So keep yapping, join Twitter airdrops, yap, and don't be left out. Okay, don't be left out. I can see all these big influencers gathering through 2,280 something thousand rep. Guys, even your 100 rep is something, 50 rep is something, even 10 is something. You don't know how much this is going to, they are going to launch it. Okay, you don't know how this project is going to be. I'm not going to assure you yet too, but try and join. Just like sign that just launched, so many people at least need at least $500, the least. You can also do it. Okay, put in the work, put in the effort. Subscribe, make sure to share this video with your friends. Share this video, let it go viral. If you have any comments, put it in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer all the questions. See you guys in my next video. If you like this video, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me. Turn on the notification bell and I'll come again with another interesting video. Stay updated because I'll be coming back with daily updates as well. See you in my next video and bye bye.